Why are you coughing up phlegm? The reason is so simple. It's because your body is trying to clear out your airways. When you have an infection like a cold or the flu, your body produces more mucus, which is a sticky substance that traps germs and dust. This mucus, also called phlegm, can build up in your lungs and throat. Coughing is your body's way of getting rid of that extra mucus, helping you breathe easier. Sometimes, phlegm can be different colors, like yellow or green, which means your immune system is working to fight off the infection. So, coughing up phlegm is actually a sign that your body is doing its job to keep you healthy. Remember to drink plenty of water and get lots of rest to help your body recover faster.